Welcome to our online class brought to you by Onkur Society Girls High School. Dear learners, how are you all? I think all of you are fine in this situation. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. According to our online schedule class, today's class is English first paper for you. I am Nusrat Jan, assistant teacher of Onkur Society Girls High School. Today I want to discuss with you from your question pattern and unseen passage, matching and rearrange. So let's start the class. Read the following passage to answer the questions number 4 and 5. Nelson Mandela was born in Transkei, South Africa on 18 July 1918. নেলসন ম্যান্ডেলা 1918 সালের 18 জুলাই দক্ষিণ আফ্রিকার ট্রান্সকেইতে জন্মগ্রহণ করেন। He joined the African National Congress in 1944 and was engaged in resistance against the ruling National Party's apartheid policies. তিনি 1944 সালে আফ্রিকার জাতীয় কংগ্রেসে যোগদান করেন এবং শাসক ন্যাশনাল পার্টির বর্ণবাদ কর্মসূচির বিরুদ্ধে প্রতিরোধে যোগ দেন। In November 1962, he was sentenced to 5 years in prison and started serving his sentence at Robben Island Prison in 1963. 1962 সালের নভেম্বর মাসে তাকে 5 বছরের জেল দেয়া হয় এবং 1963 সালে রোবেন আইল্যান্ড কারাগারে বন্দী জীবন শুরু করেন। From 1964 to 1982, he was again imprisoned at Robben Island Prison and then later moved to Portsmouth Prison, during which his reputation was a potent symbol of resistance to the anti-apartheid movement grew steadily. 1964 থেকে 1982 সাল পর্যন্ত তাকে পুনরায় রোবেন আইল্যান্ড কারাগারে বন্দী করা হয় এবং পরবর্তীকালে তাকে পোর্টসমোর কারাগারে পাঠানো হয়। সে সময় বর্ণবাদ বিরোধী আন্দোলন প্রতিহত করার শক্তিশালী প্রতীক হিসেবে তার খ্যাতি খুব বেড়ে ওঠে। After being released from prison in 1990, Mandela won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993 and was inaugurated as the first democratically elected president of South Africa in 1994. 1990 সালে বন্দিশালা থেকে মুক্তির পর ম্যান্ডেলা 1993 সালে নোবেল শান্তি পুরস্কার লাভ করেন এবং 1994 সালে তাকে দক্ষিণ আফ্রিকার প্রথম গণতান্ত্রিকভাবে নির্বাচিত প্রেসিডেন্ট হিসেবে অভিষিক্ত করা হয়। He is the author of the international best-seller books named Long Walk of Freedom and Conversations with Myself. তিনি লং ওয়াক অফ ফ্রিডম অ্যান্ড কনভারসেশনস উইথ মাইসেলফ নামক আন্তর্জাতিকভাবে সবচেয়ে বেশি বিক্রয়কৃত বইয়ের লেখক। নেলসন ম্যান্ডেলা was the first black president of South Africa. নেলসন ম্যান্ডেলা দক্ষিণ আফ্রিকার প্রথম কৃষ্ণাঙ্গ প্রেসিডেন্ট। He was in prison from 1962 to 1990. তিনি 1962 থেকে 1990 সাল পর্যন্ত কারাগারে ছিলেন। He became the president of South Africa in 1994 and retired in 1999. তিনি 1994 সালে দক্ষিণ আফ্রিকার প্রেসিডেন্ট নির্বাচিত হন এবং 1999 সালে অবসর গ্রহণ করেন। He spent 27 years in prison for trying to overthrow the pro-apartheid government. বর্ণবাদ সমর্থক সরকার উৎখাতের চেষ্টার কারণে তিনি 27 বছর কারাগারে কাটান। After he left prison, he worked to achieve human rights and a better future for everyone in South Africa. কারাগার ত্যাগের পর তিনি দক্ষিণ আফ্রিকার সকলের জন্য মানবিক অধিকার ও আরও ভালো ভবিষ্যৎ গড়ার কাজে নিয়োজিত হন। Nelson Mandela died on 5 December 2013 following a lung illness. ফুসফুসের পীড়ার কারণে নেলসন ম্যান্ডেলা 2013 সালের 5 ডিসেম্বর মৃত্যুবরণ করেন। 4 number question. Complete the table below with information from the passage. This is a table. Who / what, event / activity, where / place, when. There are 4 columns. Who / what? Nelson Mandela. Event or activity was born. Where or place? Transkei. When? Gap. Nelson Mandela was born on Transkei. When? When? Answer is 18 July 1918. 1 number answer, 18 July 1918. Next line, he, who / what, he, event or activity joined, where or place, gap, when, 1944. He joined 1944, where or place? Answer is the African National Congress. That means he joined the African National Congress 1944. Next line, he dash when 1993. That means he 1993 event or activity. Answer is he was awarded the National Peace Prize 1993. Next line, he was president of South Africa. When? Answer is he was president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Next line, he dash Africa 2013. Answer is he died in Africa 2013. 5 number question. Write a summary of the above passage in your own words. This is your homework. 6 number question. Match the parts of sentences given in column A, B and C to write 5 complete sentences. There are 3 columns. In column A number, education is not mere bookish knowledge. B, a truly educated man knows. C, on the other hand, without wisdom. D, again the lack of wisdom. E, so we need a special kind of education. In column B, 1 number, which will train us. 2, cannot be compensated for. 3 number, rather it is much. D number, we cannot make the best use of our knowledge. And 5 number, how to lead a happy and useful life. In column C, 1 number, as a good citizen of the country in particular and of the world in general. 2 number, to use our knowledge wisely. 3 number, by knowing a lot. 4 number, more than that. 5 number, so we remain foolish. Here the answer is 1 number. Education is not mere bookish knowledge, rather it is much more than that. That means A plus Roman 3 plus Roman 4. B number answer. A truly educated man knows how to lead a happy and useful life as a good citizen of the country in particular and of the world in general. That means B plus Roman 5 plus Roman 1. C number answer. On the other hand, without wisdom we cannot make the best use of our knowledge, and so we remain foolish. That means C plus Roman 4 plus Roman 5. D number answer. Again, the lack of wisdom cannot be compensated for by knowing a lot. That means D plus Roman 2 plus Roman 3. E number answer. So, we need a special kind of education which will train us to use our knowledge wisely. That means E plus Roman 1 plus Roman 2. This is the answer. 7 number question. Put the following parts of the story in correct order to rewrite the whole story. A. The king asked him why he was making such a small boat. B. Napoleon, the king of France, was a great hero. C. One day he was walking along the seashore. D number. He won many battles and conquered many countries of Europe. E. The boy said, I shall cross the sea. F. Suddenly, he noticed a wonderful thing. Z. The boy was brought before him. H. An English boy was making a small boat. Here the answer. At first, D. Napoleon, the king of France, was a great hero. Then D. He won many battles and conquered many countries of Europe. Then C. One day he was walking along the seashore. Then F. Suddenly he noticed a wonderful thing. H. An English boy was making a small boat. Z. The boy was brought before him. A. The king asked him why he was making such a small boat. E. The boy said, I shall cross the sea. That's it for today. See you in the next class. Take care until then. Khuda Hafiz.